we're gonna make Sooji Halwa. So the origin is from Persian and Arabic lands. It came to India in the 13th century through the Silk Road when the Delhi Sultanate ruled India. This food is traditionally made in our home. And we're gonna make using this dish. The first ingredient is semolina. Semolina is thought to be in the Central Asian region as early as 700 BC. Next is 75 grams of sugar. This was native to New Guinea when it came to Southeast Asia, where it was refined and it traveled to Europe through the Silk Road, and Europe transported it through the Americas to the ships in the Atlantic. Next, our ingredient is milk. Milk was originated in 5000 BCE when domestication started. It comes from cows. The oldest known evidence may have been in the Libyan Dahara and older than 5000 BCE. It helped the Neolithian people. Next is 1/4 cup of ghee. It's clarified butter in English. Ghee is thought to have originated in India. And next is a pinch of cardamom powder. Cardamom is native to South India, and it came to the Europe by Silk Road, and it came to the Americas when it was transported through the Atlantic. Next is almonds, which are native to Iran, and it could transfer to Europe to the Silk Road and was transported through ships in the Atlantic. Now, this is optional as well, is a pinch of food coloring. Food coloring is traced back to Roman civilization, and its roots are in the Roman civilization. Let's make halwa now. So first you're gonna put the semolina into the pan. First you're supposed to dry roast it, but now we already have dry roasting. So we'll just put this into the pan. Next we're supposed to add the milk and sugar. Add the milk and sugar. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add the ghee, and now we'll mix it well for 2 minutes. Now we're going to put the milk, boiling milk, and stir until the mixture becomes thick. Okay, so now we'll mix it until the mixture thickens. While the mixture is thickening, add a little bit of cardamom. Now that the mixture has thickened and it's ready, now you can serve. However, if you want, you can add chopped nuts and enjoy. Is ready. Now you can add chopped nuts if you wish to the halwa. And now this is the final halwa. Yummy, yummy.
It's good.